Hi, my name's Christian. I'm one of the roofing consultants at Rhino Roofers, and I'm here to answer the question, how do I choose my roofer? There's a couple different things that you need to ask yourself when choosing a roofer, and that is, are they licensed? Being licensed means that they can pull the proper permits in order to coincide with the city codes and their standards, and that could cause a couple problems if they don't pull those permits. Another thing is, are they fully insured? That's a huge one that you need to make sure that whoever you choose to work with carries the proper kind of insurance. Another thing that you need to ask yourself is, have I done my research on them? Do they have good reviews? Can I find them on a couple different platforms, whether it's Google, Facebook? What do the reviews look like? Are there any kind of customer testimonials? What are people saying about that roofing company? A couple other things I always like to ask people when they're trying to choose what roofer to go with is, will they offer some kind of a warranty after the work's done? Typical warranties in San Antonio market go anywhere from 5-year workmanship warranty to I've seen upwards of 15 years. Working with Rhino Roofers, what you'll get is a true lifetime warranty once we've replaced your roof. Last thing I always tell people to look into is your roofer going to provide you with a detailed quote, or is it going to be something that's just written down on a piece of paper, here's your price? I always suggest go with somebody who's going to provide that detailed quote so that you know exactly what's going to be put on your roof. I hope that answered your question today. My name's Christian with Rhino Roofers. If you'd like to go ahead and get an inspection set up, you can always call us or visit our website to go ahead and get that process started. Thank you so much. Bye.